In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Slack support. If you're running into sign-in issues, billing questions, or something in your workspace just isn't working right, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can get help fast. First, open your web browser and head to slack.com. Going straight to the official website ensures you're using the most up-to-date support paths and resources. Even if you usually use the desktop or mobile app, starting on the website keeps everything consistent and easy to follow. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right of the screen for the Help option. Depending on your screen size or region, it may say Help, or it might appear as a small question mark icon. If you don't see it immediately, try widening your browser window or scanning the top navigation bar carefully. The Help area is your gateway to Slack's support center, including documentation, troubleshooting guides, and ways to reach their team. Go ahead and click Help, then locate and select Contact Us. This is where Slack gathers a little context so it can direct you to the best support channel. The wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the entry point that leads to contacting support rather than just browsing articles. Clicking Contact Us opens the path to more personalized assistance when self-serve resources aren't enough. You'll be asked to enter a topic. This step is important because it helps Slack understand what you're dealing with and route you correctly. Keep your topic short and specific using clear keywords. For example, you might type "can't sign in after password reset," "workspace owner billing question," or "notifications not working on Windows." The goal is to describe the core problem in a few words. If you know the device or platform involved, including that can save time. Also, if you've seen an error message, using a unique phrase from that message can surface the most relevant help. After you enter a topic, Slack may suggest tailored articles or offer the appropriate contact path based on what you've typed. This is normal and designed to get you help as quickly as possible. If an article matches your issue, it can be the fastest route to a fix. If not, you'll be positioned for direct support with the right context already in place. That's it. Start at slack.com, open Help at the top right, choose Contact Us, and enter a clear, specific topic. Follow those steps and you'll be on your way to the assistance you need.